Hi and welcome to this week. Cider Talbot, he's going to cook up some ribs for us, and we've got this lovely barbecue rub from the Smokey Carter. Great honour to be with you. This is our good friend Cider Talbot. So cheers, dude.
Yeah, cheers. Nice to have you here.
That's all right. And we're going to Cider Talbot, he's going to cook up some ribs for us, and if you want to crack on, dude.
Yeah.
We've known Cider Talbot for a number of years around the barbecue scene and everything like that. And again, it's the use of chilies. And we've got this lovely barbecue rub from the Smokey Carter. And this is the Smoky Ghost one. So it's going to be a bit hot. We sampled it a little bit earlier, so we know exactly how much is in it. But that's what we're going to have on our ribs today. Then on the side, I'm going to make a little chimichurri, because I think a chimichurri on the side would be...
Yeah, that'd be something different.
Yeah, so make another video. Yeah. Bit of chimichurri.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So you're just cleaning the ribs up at the moment.
Just clean up, cut off the bits we don't want.
Cider's got his own vacuum cleaner, haven't you?
Yeah. So, would you like that?
There we go.
There we go. Good old boy.
So any waste trimmings?
That's butt, by the way, if you don't already know. Right. That's that. That's good enough. We ain't too bother. We'll just square it up a little bit. We'll take the backs off if we can.
At the moment, you're just cleaning it up, so it looks good. And we're going to put it, because you're sort of really sort of you're low and slow cooking, aren't you? You're really into that.
Yeah.
So how long are you looking at? We're going to be in a sort of low and slow.
Well, I'll do this 3, 2, 1, 5 hours, but hopefully we get away with 4 because I'm hungry.
That's a good one. And then, what sort of temperature are we cooking at as well? So
I'm going to go for about 275, I reckon, on this one.
275 Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
Because he's barbecue, because he works in Fahrenheit, I always work in Celsius.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go, mate. Cut this bit out. It's taking longer than I thought.
So you've now trimmed it up and everything like
that? Trimmed up, it's all ready. We're not in competition, so basically I want to eat some of this, so I trimmed off some of the rubbish that might burn up when it's in there.
So we're just using olive oil?
Just olive oil on here. Yeah, you can use mustard, use what you want, really.
But we're just going for the natural ones.
Natural, yeah.
We're using the Smokey Carter. We want to get that, effectively have a real sort of raw taste of the product and everything like that.
Yeah. So now we'll try this.
Do you notice the way Cider's also sprinkling? He's turned it upside down and he's using the sort of longevity. Yeah, and it's an easier way where if you turn it up the other way, you get more of a sort of a straight pour onto there. So that's looking good.
A bit of that press in. We'll do the back as well.
Oh yeah. So it's just a nice light sprinkling. Lovely seasoning. This is all in one seasoned barbecue rub, which they've made.
That's good.
Which is the advantage of it.
Smells lovely.
Sweet as. Brilliant. So it's as simple as that, really, isn't it? I mean,
easy.
Yeah. So
we'll stick it in the smoker.
Get it in the smoker. And your smoker then, that's a bit of a beast, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's a bit overkill for your garden, but when it's your hobby, no. Yeah, he's a heavy old boy. Put that into it.
Right, we'll see you in 5 to 6 hours then.
Yeah, we'll come back. We'll probably come back in a couple. And let me see what smoke we got on it. Get a nice colour, and then we can wrap it.
We're going to have a few ciders now. Cheers for that cider, Talbot.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Take care.
Cheers.
So here we are. The ribs been now 4 hours now.
Yeah, about 4 hours.
And what we're going to do is we're just going to finish it off. We're just going to do a little bit of basting. So we've been chatting earlier. So we've got the Smoky Carter, and it's their Chipotle and Bourbon Barbecue Sauce. We're just going to baste over.
Yeah.
And then back in
quick baste over by about 20 minutes.
For about 20 minutes.
Just to get it nice and tacky.
So it's going to really work well. So can I do the basting?
You carry on, sir.
I've been led by an expert.
You've got to whop it on, sir.
Whop it on. Up and down, yeah?
Yeah. What?
So it's literally, don't be...
Yeah, pour it on. Pour a bit on. Get a bit on. That's it.
Like that?
No, that's it.
So this, This is going to be pure Gert Lush.
Isn't it, Gert Lush?
How's that, boss?
That's bloody salty, isn't it?
There you go.
So
So next time we see this, probably about 20 minutes. We've made our chimichurri. Out there, bang, happy days. Let's get that back in. Cheers.
salty. Right, let's get this on here. Easy.
Moment of truth. So it's been 20 minutes now. Oh, get the old slice out.
There we go. Good bit of kit. If you ain't got one, get yourself one of these.
So this is looking absolutely gorgeous. So just to recap, it's been Smokey Carter. We used the Smoky Ghost barbecue spice rub, and then 20 minutes with a bit of the Chipotle Bourbon sauce on there. So we're really looking for this. Really looking forward to this one.
Right.
Right.
I'm not sure.
The devil's in the tasting now, isn't it?
A couple of these little ribs.
Sweet as.
They're going to be hot. Let me turn that back over so you can see it.
This is where you need smell-o-vision because it's actually smelling absolutely gorgeous. So, just as a little side thing, we're just going to have a little bit of, you saw the chimichurri earlier being made, a little bit of chimichurri, that down the side there, so you can have it as a little dabble. You can just put it on top, but I like it as a little just side thing, just to sort of dip into. So there we go. So, right.
There we go. If I don't burn my finger again. Oh, lost me bit off of there, innit?
It's just peeling off.
Yeah, I'm going to go for a bit of this as well.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh my God. Wow. You taste the smoke. There's cherry smoke as well in there, as apart from the rub. But the rub is gorgeous. And that sauce is wonderful.
It's got a real sort of slight. You got the slight bit of heat, but then you got sort of a nice bit of heat. But it's not. It's absolutely. It's pleasurable. Well, you're not really a chili man, are you? You don't really like the hot.
Not hot, no. But this is perfect.
This is just falling off. I mean, it's just falling off the bone. The rub. It's got a bit of sweetness to it because we use the Chipotle bourbon as well. So you got that smoky, which is added to it. Really. So I'll tell you what, guys. Cheers, Cider. It's been brilliant. Please try out the Smoky Carters. They've got a load of good products. Really nice. Please like and subscribe and share. Check out Cider's channel too. Just hope you're enjoying as we have. Thank you very much, and cheers, Cider.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Cider Talbot Too. It'll be down the bottom.
We'll see you next time. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.